Hi guys, welcome back to Turtle 4001. Today I'm going to show you how to make your writing stand out. So, if you're writing like a book and the title has to stand out compared to the actual writing of the book. So, I will show you how to make your writing look bigger and better. Let's use the months. So it's July. Bubble lettering. Well, actually no. I call this big letters. You can even make them 3D by just adding an extra layer on the back of it. This is going to be our 3D writing. Blocked letters. There. July. And now, cursive, but not real cursive. It's like swirly writing. We'll call it swirly writing. Swirly writing. Then people call that bubble lettering, but it's not bubble lettering. This is bubble lettering. Bubble lettering. See? It's little bubbles shaped like letters. Ta-da! Next, we will do, what other kind of writing should we do? Regular writing would just look like this. But these ways look way better than that. So, I'll show you gamer writing. There's gamer writing. And then here's vampire writing. That's what I like to call vampire writing, because it makes me think of like the scary vampires, the way they would write, like the super scary ones. And the next one, well actually this is the last one because these are the top 5 ways to make your writing stand out. Yeah. Backwards writing. When you actually know it's upside down writing. Backwards would be that's backwards, and this is upside down. Backwards, upside down. You see the difference. Also, if you're trying to make your writing look nicer, I recommend ultra fine tip permanent markers. They worked so well for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back to Turtle 4001. I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And follow me on Instagram, Turtle 4001, lowercase t. Subscribe, slam the bell button, and like button. Bye bye. See you next time.